Guys, this is Bidding Ideas Prime of May. In this video, we are not going to make any kind of jewelry or bracelet or earrings. And I would like to show you my table, my beading work, my collection, and my beaded projects. And I just wanted to show you with you and introduce my table works. So let's go. Anyways, this is my house and this is my table. It doesn't look like a table, not like this, but there's a magic there. I will push it like this, and I will push it like this, and also push it like this. Then this is my table and my lights and my stand. This is my stand. It has 26 centimeter of lights, and then on the top of the cabinet of this is, and I will push it like this. Then these are my collection. Yes, they are my collection. This is my bead mat. This is a handmade bead mat. And then this is a frame, you know, picture frame. And I inserted this bead mat. And also this is a mat that avoids sleep. And this is my bead mat. This is a Miyuki of bead mat. And then also this is a handmade one. This is some kind of a leather, you know. And then there's also a picture frame. Yes, they are picture frame. This is my beading thread pouch, fine line, and nylon beading thread. This is my pouch. And the next is, sorry, this is my seed beads. This is a 3mm of seed beads and pearl beads. And also this is what Miyuki 11 seed beads and the gold and the silver. I have also this one. And my beads are this. I have this one. I have this seed beads, 11 seed beads, Toho 11 seed beads. Also Toho 11 seed beads. They are not completed because I'm not yet monetized and I have no income. You know, these are crystal beads, flower, and some kind of a star, drop beads, fire polish, and a drop beads, and pearl beads. Also drop beads like this. And this are my 6mm of pearl beads, 12, 12, 12, 12, and 12. And the next is, oh my gosh, my beads are fallen. Sorry. And this is my collection. This 4mm of parfolish, rondel beads, anything else. 4 millimeters. Okay, and this is also this is are my bicone beads. They are Swarovski. This is 6 millimeter and 4 millimeter. This is 6 millimeter pearl beads. They are plastic. They are not glass. And it's also a 6 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 4 millimeter. And also this one. They are gemstone. This is Swarovski, and gemstone. This is the turquoise one. This is stone, turquoise, pebbles, like some like kind of that. And they are a drop beads and a clay beads also, and plastic beads. This is also a Swarovski, different kind of a gemstone. M&M. M&M. And drop beads, hearts, and also drop beads and some kind of a flower. And also this one is my favorite. They are Swarovski, you know, like this. This is Swarovski one, and also Swarovski one. It's Rivoli. Chaton. They are the Chaton collection. And also this is pearl beads, you know 4 millimeter of pearl beads and e-beads, Miyuki e-beads, and metallic. They are also glass one. And this is 3 millimeter of higher polish. And this is a 6 millimeter of rondel beads. They are not completed because I have no money to buy, And this is my, my presentation one. This is also handmade. And this is my introductions of my materials in a video. And also these are my Swarovski collections. Look, down, emerald, crystal, and this is also, they are good. Okay, and also some kind of a beads, seed beads, 8 seed beads, and this is a stone one, and there's a check beads, some kind of tilla beads, and spirito drop beads, and then Monty's 8 millimeter of pearl beads and 4 millimeter of pearl beads. And the last is, this is my toggle clasp chain, and crimp beads, and kind of a bracelet wires, jump rings, ear wires, ear hook, and T-pin, ball pin, and some kind of like this. My table works. Thank you for watching. Bye.